Great morning, children. Today we are going to start lesson 4, that is pronoun. So, children, learning objectives of the pronouns, you will be able to state the definition of pronouns, recognize the pronouns and distinguish them from the other part of speech, use the correct pronouns in the sentences. So, children, let's see what are pronouns. So, children, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. And you know that noun is a name of thing, person, place, or animal, and pronouns are used in place of noun. Look at the example. Seema has a new bag. So, children, you know that Seema is the name of a girl and bag is the name of a thing. So, these are the pronoun here. And she carries it to school. We use she in place of Seema and we use it in place of bag. She and it are pronoun here. So, children, look at the table. Singular pronouns, plural pronouns. I, me are singular and plural, we or us. Mine is singular pronoun, ours is plural pronoun. You, yours, singular pronouns, and you, yours is plural noun also. These are the same in both the cases. She, her, he, him, it are singular pronouns. They, them are plural pronouns. His, hers, singular pronouns, and plural pronouns are theirs. So, children, exercise A is given here. Which noun do the underlined pronoun replace? Write them in the bracket. What you have to do, you have to write here which noun is used for the given pronoun, underlined pronoun. So, children, Akhil has a pet dog. Here he is used for Akhil. You know that we use he for boy, she for girl, it for animal or thing. So, children, he is used for Akhil and keeps it. It is used for bird. So, Akhil keeps bird in his house. Like this, you will write. Next sentence is this cat saw some mice. So, children, you know that the cat saw some mice. Cats. You know that we use they when there are more than two. So, children, they is used for the cats. Chase them. Them is used for mice. So, you will write they. They is used for cats and chase them or them is used for mice. यहाँ पे you will write the cats chase them, the cats chase mice all around the farm. You will do like this. Sonali bought a new dress. She wore it on her birthday. You know that she is used for Sonali and it is used for dressed. Sonali wore dressed on her birthday, like this. Now, children, next is personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Pronouns that that replace the name of a person or things are called personal pronouns. So, children, I like to draw. Rohan gave a drawing book to me. We are playing. Come join us. The pronouns I, me, we, and us refers to the speaker. Speaker, those are speaking. I am here, speaker, and you are a listener because you are listening, and I am speaking. I am speaking here. I am a speaker. I and me are singular pronouns. They refers to one speaker. We and us are plural pronouns. They refers to more than one speaker. The pronouns you refers to the listener. It may be singular or plural. Radhika, you may go out and play. Radhika, you may go out and play. This sentence is used for one person, so we use you for singular pronoun, and all of you must come tomorrow. In this case, you is plural here. The pronouns he, she, it, him, her, they, and them replace the person, things the speaker is speaking about. In which we are speaking about are called third person, or pronouns are used for the third person are he, she, it, him, her, they, them. He slept after the doctor gave him the tablet. She taught them how to sing. They gave her a card. Soma bought a cake. It was delicious. So, children, you have to remember one thing. He is used for male, she is used for female, and it is used for thing, animal, place, etc. Okay. And the personal pronouns, singular, in singular case we use I, me. Listener, only you are listener. In all the cases you are listener. Second person is you. And third person in singular case he, she, it, him, her. It means we are spoken about. Those person we are spoken about are called third person. Plural case में speaker we and us. If two speakers are two, so they use we. And listener always you. and spoken about they or them. Now here exercise is given here. Fill in the blanks with correct personal pronoun. What you have to do, what you have to fill here, personal pronouns. Some deer come to the water hole because dash were thirsty. Here some deer, it means deers are more than one. So you use they, 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 like this. When Ankur finished the book, dash put dash back. When Ankur finished the book, he put it back. For Ankur we use he, and book we use it, it, like this. You have to do this exercise and you can do easily. Next exercise is complete the sentences with him, her, it or them. Him is used for boy, her is used for girl, it is used for thing, and them in the plural case. It is in the singular case and them in the plural case. I don't drink colas, I don't like. I don't drink colas in Coca-Colas. I don't like it. I don't know the woman. Do you know her? Woman is a female. So do you know her? This shirt is not very warm. I do not wear it. Shirt is one. I do not wear it in winter. This is my friend Rashi. Have you put? So this is my friend Rishi. Have you met him? Rishi is a boy. Have you met him earlier? Like this you can do. Next is some pronouns show belonging or possession, and it is also called possessive pronoun. In next classes you will learn about that. We use mine and ours to talk about things and belong to us. Like the story book is mine. Mine is for when the things belongs to us. Mine. The brick house is ours. Mine is used in singular case and ours when the persons are more than two, more than one. We use yours, hers, his, theirs to talk about things that belong to others. If the things belonging to others, we use yours, hers, his, theirs. That pen belongs to Anita. It is hers. Now children, look at the exercise D is given here. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. You have to use correct pronoun here. Ajay asked Sonia, are these fish? Ajay asked Sonia, are these fish yours? Are these fish yours? The kitten is mine. She is saying the kitten is mine. So children, you will see the pronouns in the box and fill it here. Okay. Next exercise, rewrite the following sentences replacing the underlined word with pronoun. What you have to do, you have to replace the underlined noun with a pronoun. Like Sheba is said, Sheba will leave soon. Sheba has to go to Delhi. You know that Sheba is a girl here. Sheba is said, she will leave soon. She has to go to Delhi. You will write like this. Ankur bought a fountain pen. Ankur gave the fountain pen to Aisha. Aisha loved the fountain pen. You will write Ankur bought a fountain pen. He gave it to Aisha. She loved it, like this. You can do very easily. So children, I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you children.